fun family wanted to go visit a new city. We decided to spend a fun day in Anaheim and started by visiting the Anaheim Packing District. There's lots of fun eateries in there, and we tried so many delicious things.
Very good. That was super tasty.
The rice is so fragrant.
Yeah. Oh! Is there a cake? It disintegrates in your mouth. That's cotton candy.
After that, we spent a day at the circus, visiting Ringling Brothers Barnum and Bailey Circus, with the greatest show on earth.
A circus. At a circus. It's so cool. It's so cool.
What's been the best part so far?
All of it. Stuff where like they're on wheels and going around and then doing cool things.
For our final adventure, we went to Haidilao for dinner to experience hot pot cooking. Haidilao was a lot of fun.
Very good. That is unbelievably good.
And included a show. We stayed at the Anaheim Marriott, which had great restaurants, a wonderful pool, excellent workout facilities, and was such an inviting and wonderful place to be. Overall, our experiences in Anaheim were a blast. If you've enjoyed this content, please subscribe and hit the like button. Please also consider our Patreon page.